Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to tell you which softwares to download. Now, if you see my screen, you can see that I'm on the VMware Workstation Player. So just go on Google for that and you will get the first link. So when you click on the first link, go ahead and click on this and download the Workstation Player. Have that installed on your Windows system. Once you've done the installation, just you will see this kind of a screen. So just open that screen and keep it ready for the next video. The next software you need to download is MobiXDem. So this is a free version and you can just download by clicking over here. You may not need to register, but if you want to register, you can do that. The next software we are supposed to download is CentOS 9. So just go for CentOS 9 download and you can click on the first link over here, which will open up this package. So you'll be in the first Linux one. So just go to CentOS Stream. This is an upstream version of CentOS 9. So when you click on this, you will have two options. One is basically to get that operating system downloaded. It is for x86-64. Most of the laptop has it. But you remember this package is about 10 GB in space. So have that downloaded. And once you have downloaded, you can also click on this cloud option, wherein which you can see the latest CentOS 9 operating system over the cloud. And there are multiple options over here. You have the container option, which basically is about 36 MB of file size, which is very much different when you compare with the actual 10 GB of file size. So you have, if you come over to the bottom, you will see that you have the EC2 version of CentOS here, and then you have the normal versions of the CentOS. But then you would have already downloaded through this link of x86. This is a full version of it. We don't need the container version at this moment. We will get it from Docker directly if needed. Okay, so you just have this CentOS downloaded and kept ready on the system. The next thing we are going to download is installation or Docker engine. So you really don't have to download it because our VMware CentOS machine will be connected to the internet, which means that we can pull it from Yum. So Yum is a repository puller, so it will directly install those packages directly there. You have alternative type of installations as well. I will just show you that. So just click on install engine and you will get that document of overview of which one you want to download. So you have the Docker for Mac and Windows. So this goes to desktop. This doesn't go over to the Docker engine installation. Engine is going to be part of your desktop, so do not worry about it if you feel like it's not like perfect. So that's completely okay. But if you're looking for Linux, do not download Docker desktop. You have to download the engine. So to download the engine, as I said, we are going to do M installation, which is going to automatically pull from the M repository. So you don't really have to worry about downloading it. But then we are also going to see different varieties of installation. So you can actually prepare for that. You can just go to CentOS and you can there is a multiple options over here. One option is Yum, as I told you earlier. Now, when you keep coming down, you will see installation from package, right? So when you see the installation from package, you will see this option over here where you can go and download this. This is completely optional if you really want to learn more about Docker and installation, different types of installation. You can do this option. Just click on that link and go to the version 9. So you see the 9, not 9.9, just 9. And then select x86-64, stable, packages. So once you're here, you can download the latest version of containerized IO. So I think the latest version is this one, 1.6.24. So you can just middle click it and it will automatically download on your background. You can download the builder plugin, latest one, the CE. So this is the CE. I think this is the latest one, 24.07. So you can download this one. You can then download this Docker CE CLI. I think this is the latest one, 2407. And then you have the CE rootless extra. So you can download this 24.01. I'm sorry, 24.07. And then the compose plugin. You can download this one and then the scan plugin. So you can download all those softwares which is listed over here. And I have downloaded all of them. So I have those downloaded and ready for me. to go. So that's one thing you are supposed to download. The next thing you're supposed to download, if you're looking for additional method of installation, is using a script. Now, the script is basically pulled from the repository, so you don't really have to download anything here. You just have to run this command and it will basically install it. The next thing you may need to download is for binary. So this is one of the other installation I'm going to show you as part of this installation. So if you want to follow me, you may need to have this binary ready. So to have this binary ready, you may have to go to this static binary location. I think I didn't download this. So go to x86-64. So I will download it right now. Middle clicking Docker, which version? Let's go for 24.07 and then rootless extract for the same version. So I have downloaded only two packages here because it is compressed into one single file. So I have downloaded both the packages over here. So if I just go to show downloads, you can see that pretty much Docker 24.07 and the rootless extract. So those are the two files I've downloaded. So that's gonna be helpful for us to install the packages as well as like RPMs. The two different types of installations apart from that, and then we're going to use yum installation, script-based installation. So all different four types of installation we are going to see as part of this training. And then for Windows, you can just download the Windows version of it. So just go to overview. So you are seeing this. So just go to Windows, and then here you can just click on this, and you can have that downloaded over here. So this is how you need to do that. Docker Desktop has more features, so you can actually go over here. If you just go to Docker download and go to Docker Desktop, right? So here you will see the comparison between desktop versus engine. So there are a lot of features available. Desktop is more modern than the engine, but then when you're using in a server-based environment, so you're going to use the engine rather than desktop. Yeah. So because engine, we are going to do command line administration through engine. So that's where we need that engine. But then I'll show you the Docker desktop as well so that you get to know about that also rather than getting to know from someone else from another training for that. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you would download all these things without any help. If you have any questions, leave your questions on the question sections. Thank you.